I'm making an apple fritter bake. I am using my trusty cast iron skillet. Now, you do not have to use a cast iron skillet. I'm just using it for the fun of it. All right, got my butter in there, or margarine or oil, whichever you would like to use. My canned cinnamon rolls. Cut it into quarters. Then I'm going to take my quarters. Oops, my biscuit dough got my biscuit dough got soft because I sell some of my flowers. You can see them here. I sell my black-eyed Susans, and a lady came and was talking, and nice to meet her. But I had my dough out. There's just about, I don't know, a fifth of all the black-eyed Susans that I have. So I've been selling those. There's my garden, or part of it. All right, so it's a little bit softer than it normally would be. That's why it didn't cut as well. That's fine. Okay, then I'm going to take and pour a little bit more butter, and just because I want it extra cinnamony, a little bit of extra cinnamon, and my apple pie filling. Video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. And then I'm going to cut up my apples just to make them smaller. Cut all of that. Kind of evenly distribute everything. I don't know. I think that needs another can of biscuits. I don't know. Should I do another can of biscuits or not? I think I will. Yeah. See how much easier that cuts when they're not soft? All right, there we go. That's a little bit better. Oh, yum. Okay, we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, I put some foil on top just so it didn't get too brown. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks delicious. I take my frosting packet. Always think of my middle son when I have these. He loves his frosting packets. All right. All right, gotta get this all on. I have 2 frosting packets. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks so good. Recipe is in the description below with baking time and ingredient amounts at livingonadime.com. You can get the link in the description. Okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness. I love apples and I love cinnamon rolls, and oh my goodness, you cannot get a better combination. Oh, yum. Okay, we're gonna have my taste test. This is apple fritter bake.
Yum. I can tell by the smell this is going to be amazing. Here.
Delicious.
It looks very appealing too.
It smells good too, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yum. Recipe that broke the internet. This is my mom's recipe in our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Page 91, volume 2 of our Dining on a Dime cookbook, page 91. Yes, I saw this recipe going all over the internet and I was like, that's Mom's sticky buns. That's what it's been. All right, so actually instead of dirtying a measuring cup, I am going to just use this one, the regular one. All right, so we've got our whipping cream. Now, Mom's recipe, I am cutting into quarters. So there's the whipping cream right there. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. And I just lied because I forgot I have to melt my butter or margarine, so that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put in my butter right here and melt it in the microwave. Okay, I've got my butter or margarine melted in the microwave, and now I'm going to add my brown sugar. So that was 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Now, if you want, you can add nuts into this. You could put raisins, would be really good. But we're just gonna make it, my boys just like it plain, so we're just gonna get this all mixed around just like this. Now, Mom's recipe also calls for making homemade bread. Now, you can use cinnamon rolls that I'm using today. So I'm using these canned cinnamon rolls. You could use freezer cinnamon rolls. And you can make your own. It doesn't really matter, but I'm using the can today. Woo, it fell apart. It's okay. That's kind of part of the fun, is rolling it back up, isn't it? Okay, so we got 1. I think these are 8. Now we're gonna put this in a 400-degree oven for 13 to 17 minutes. Look at that bubbly, delicious goodness. Okay, we're gonna let this cool down for just about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna tip it over. Okay, it has been about 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my cake plate upside down. And I hope I can do this. Now you can just scoop them out if you want, but I don't know why I'm getting all fancy. Okay, there. And it's still warm. Oops. Well, I didn't do that very gracefully. Scoot it over. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you are liking these videos, would you please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe? Doesn't that look delicious? The recipe is in the description below. Okay, try a bite.
Yum. Mmm. Man, that is amazingly good.
Okay, that's your mother-in-law's recipe.
That's really good.
Yay.
How many can I have?
10 out of 10?
Yep, it's delicious.